Whether you operate one forklift or thousands, one location or hundreds, the new My Toyota customer portal can help you optimize your operation and material handling equipment. This one-stop, free-to-use platform is designed to help you take control of your information and make smarter decisions, all at the touch of a button. Register and access your data today at my.toyotaforklift.com. That's my.toyotaforklift.com.
The New Warehouse Podcast, hosted by Kevin Lawton, is your source for insights and ideas from the distribution, transportation, and logistics industry. A new episode every Monday morning brings you the latest from industry experts and thought leaders. And now, here's Kevin.
Hey, it's Kevin Lawton with the New Warehouse Podcast here at MODEX 2020 at the New Warehouse booth, and I am joined by Aaron Stegemann, who is the Director of Sales at Polaris. So Polaris is also in combination with Taylor-Dunn as well, right? So we're going to talk to them about some of what they're exhibiting here at MODEX, and we're also going to talk to them about the new TT416, which they just debuted, I think, officially this morning.
Correct.
Right. So, Aaron, welcome to the show. How are you?
Yeah, thanks, Kevin. Appreciate you having me. Great show so far. Really excited about the opportunity to show some of the material handling solutions that we offer through our Taylor-Dunn product line, and look forward to the visit with you, Kevin.
Definitely. Thanks for coming over here as well, too. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what Taylor-Dunn does and what Polaris does, and how talk to us a little bit, too, about how those two brands kind of coexist.
Yeah, great. Give you a little bit of background, Kevin, is Polaris itself has been a company. We just celebrated our 65th anniversary last year. Really founded in a small town in northern Minnesota, invented the first snowmobile.
Right.
You may know some of the other products. We've developed a lot of power sports products, but really focusing around moving people.
Okay.
Fortunately, about 3 years ago, we had the opportunity through an acquisition to acquire Taylor-Dunn.
Okay.
What Taylor-Dunn did is Taylor-Dunn really offered another avenue for us to expand our commercial product offering. Mm-hmm. We had offered commercial products for quite some time, whether they were commercial utility vehicles, low-speed electric vehicles, or even products to the military, as we have a full government and defense division.
Right.
But what the acquisition of Taylor-Dunn did is really gave us a flagship product. We were able to leverage a very strong dealer network to really expand our base in that commercial and industrial space.
Right. Okay, that makes sense. So now, what are you guys exhibiting here at MODEX this year?
Yeah, at the show here today, we have our new TT416, which is our new, really industry-leading stand-up tow tractor.
Right.
And I'll talk about that in just a second here.
Okay.
And the other product we have is a JTEC mother-daughter cart.
Okay.
We partner with JTEC, industry leader in that mother-daughter cart technology for moving material efficiently around a warehouse or a manufacturing plant.
Right.
And we work with them to provide our dealers another option to sell so they can offer customers a full solution for really moving material efficiently around their different site.
Okay, interesting. And how is the so we're first day here at MODEX, right? So how has the attendance been over there? You know, we've had a lot of issues with the virus and everything. So how are you guys seeing everything over there?
Yeah, so far, I mean, candidly, it's been a little bit slow. I think that's impacted by the some of the concerns from a health perspective. The show's done a great job, so we don't have any concerns. Feel secure here, but the interest has been good so far. We've been able to highlight the TT416, which I'll get into here if you don't mind, Kevin, and give you a little bit of background about that product.
Definitely.
So we did introduce the TT416 today. It's a stand-up tow tractor that we developed with a close partnership with some leading manufacturing companies.
Okay.
Really what we did is we took the chance to understand some of the concerns that those customers had about how people were moving material in a tugging application in their facility. What we found out is that they were really looking for ways to do things certainly more efficiently. You know, people are always worried about the bottom line and how I can make sure that I'm most efficiently moving material. And then even beyond that, how do they make sure that they're doing it safely? And a lot of that ties into operator comfort.
Definitely.
If an operator is more comfortable as they're moving that vehicle or moving that material in using that vehicle, they're certainly going to work harder and work longer throughout the day and not have any injuries that are going to cause downtime that could cause some issues in the facility there. So our TT416 was really built around the primary pillars of safety, labor efficiency, and productivity. Okay. So first, from a safety standpoint, what we did with our vehicle is we have things like a heavy-duty light bar that has a variety of configurations of lights you can offer, whether it's a blue light up front, work light, different safety lights there, from a stopping feature, an emergency e-stop feature, and then tying into the efficiency piece is that's where we leveraged a lot of the goodness that comes with Polaris.
Right.
Polaris is known as an innovative company. It has been for 70 years. They innovate with a lot of power sports products, and they really focus around ride and handling and how that consumer is going to use their product.
Yeah.
Now that's not as important in the commercial industrial space, and we understand that. But what we were able to do is really leverage our engineering expertise and create a product that was the first tow tractor that has front and rear suspension.
Okay.
And really what that does is that gives that person a better ride, better ergonomics, that make them more productive throughout the day because they have a better ride.
It's more comfortable. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. We couple that with tilt steering. We couple that with large comfortable seat or a seat back that you can lean against on that stand-up tractor. Compartments, large compartments for where you can put your material, whether it's a handbag, your lunch, whatever you have as you're moving things around. And then, so that really drove us for that efficiency piece of it.
Okay.
And then to tie to that, from a productivity standpoint, we leveraged all the great things that come with Taylor-Dunn. That's been an industry leader in moving material in warehouses and plants for over 70 years.
Right.
So we have a 36 volt tractor or a 36 volt tugger that is can tow up to 16,000 pounds.
Wow.
Which is really industry leading in terms of what we can tow there, and then doing it very efficiently as well.
Right.
So when we really put the goodness of both companies together, we're really excited about that new product that we introduced and where it can provide a more efficient solution for different facilities out there.
Great. Yeah, it sounds like you guys actually, you really listen to the customer and kind of what their expectation was, and I think that's kind of what this industry is all about, right? It's all about, listening to the customer, whether you're the one working in the warehouse or whether you're the one providing the solution to the warehouse, and then kind of taking that continuous improvement kind of sense of mind and bringing that, making that change to make things better for them. So it's really good to hear that you guys listen to your customers, definitely, obviously, and that you're taking the steps to make the workers' environment even better as well. So we talk about fatigue and everything in distribution environments and commercial environments, and so it's really important that we start to address that. So I'm happy that you guys are doing that. So what has the reception been, I guess, from customers from seeing the new changes?
Yeah, it's early so far at the show here, but
Right.
from the customer that we worked with in developing the products, it's been very positive.
Okay.
We're obviously very involved in the development of the product, but they've also been very responsive to the product that we've had. A lot of really neat responses, like, "Hey, I'm not used to something this comfortable. I'm not used to something with with this much of a operator." A strong operator environment.
Right.
And then couple that, the one thing I didn't mention is we have a power steering available. So things that you wouldn't necessarily expect in these vehicles, but make it certainly more efficient and less fatigue as well. So really good response from our current customer, and we're really excited to launch it here to a broader customer base so we can help other companies be more efficient, more productive.
Wow, sounds like you're making like almost a little luxury car there, a little luxury tugger, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And we, it's the comfort that comes from the Polaris side, but then coupled with durability, reliability, everything that Taylor-Dunn is known for and has been known for over 70 years that we include in this vehicle. It's really the best of both worlds, and a product that can help people really save money.
Definitely. Great. So how can people find out more information about Taylor-Dunn and Polaris?
Yeah, so a couple ways. They can certainly stop by our booth here at the show. They can also look online. A couple different ways you can find our website. Taylor-Dunn.com will get you our website. If you go into the Polaris website and look at the commercial area, you'll see our Taylor-Dunn product. Right. And certainly, stop by any one of our dealers. So we have several hundred dealers across the United States, Canada, and even across the world that will have availability of this product in the very near future.
All right, very good. So we'll definitely post all that information on newwarehouse.com as well. So Aaron, thank you so much for stopping by the booth.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
You've been listening to the New Warehouse Podcast with Kevin Lawton. Subscribe and check us out online at thenewwarehouse.com.
Thank you for listening to this episode. If you want more content from the New Warehouse, check out our new video series called All Hands on LinkedIn. Just search for the New Warehouse on LinkedIn and follow along.